A model is watching a cat. One instruction. Say great the moment the cat touches the carrot. Nothing otherwise. The cat touches the carrot. The model says great, silence in between. Every time. This is Moss VL from a lab called OpenMoss, and anyone can download the model, all 22 gigabytes. The whole instruction is one sentence. Watch in real time, and say great whenever the cat touches the carrot. After that, the user is silent. The video arrives frame by frame, and the model reads along and writes as it goes. The weights have been public since the 14th of July. What is new is the report. The team published it on the 15th of August with this model's first scores. Answering a question is the easy half. A model watching a live feed has to make a second call, over and over. Is this the moment to speak? For almost every frame, the answer is no. Timing is its own skill, separate from answering. So how do you teach a model to stay quiet? After every frame of video, the model makes one choice, and it comes out as a word. That word is either stay quiet or speak. The team added 2 words to the model's vocabulary for exactly that job. The same weights that write the reply make that call. The model picks that word the way the model picks any other word, by taking whichever word scores highest. Silence is one of the words the model can pick. When the model picks speak, the reply pays out across the frames that follow, while the video keeps arriving. In the training data, the moments where staying quiet is correct, swamp the moments where speaking is. In one training example in 20, the thing the model is watching for never happens, and staying quiet the whole way through is the right answer. Trained on that mix, the model finds the winning strategy. Say nothing, ever. That strategy is right almost every time, and it is useless. So, the team weighted the rare choice up, until speaking and staying quiet pulled equally hard. The team put Moss VL on 4 public tests where video arrives live and ran all 4 itself. On 3 of the 4, Moss VL takes the best average score. The widest margin in the report is on a surveillance test. The model watches for a dangerous situation and raises the alarm itself at the right moment. There, Moss VL scores 66.0. The next best score there is 37.5, and 2 models are tied there. Moss VL does not win everything. On the 4th test, Moss VL comes second on the average, 69.7 against 71.1 for Aura, the strongest model the team tested against. Across the whole table, 7 scores go the other way, 5 of them to Aura. The report says, wherever a test comes down to answering a question about the scene in front of the model, Aura keeps the edge. The skill this training added is timing. Moss VL was designed to do one more thing that the team could not score. The model is built to keep watching while it speaks, so it can cut a reply short the moment the scene turns over. The team says the public tests stop 1 step short of measuring that, and that building the missing test is next on its list. So that is a model watching a cat, quiet until the cat touches the carrot. The team taught this model when to speak by making silence a word the model writes to itself. 22 gigabytes, Apache licensed, on Hugging Face.